Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. Welcome to week number 10. More than halfway through the semester. It's going so quickly. And this week we're going to focus on tourism. And I think that this is a particularly interesting topic. I know that for those of you that have completed the tourism assignment, no one mentioned that they used a travel agent to figure out the best ways to go to Los Angeles. And that's a really telling sign as to where our industry is right now. And all of the information that's easily accessible via so many different channels. So when we think about tourism, we're thinking about how to get to the places and really what tourism does. And I really love this graphic that's in the instructional content this week on the multiplier effect and really how much we rely on tourism. Specifically, when we think about how tourism has taken a decline in the last 2 years and when it's coming back, what that does to the area. When new dollars are injected into the economy, it's then able to support all of those businesses. I especially think about the little mom and pop businesses that really rely on all of the foot traffic in the areas. I'm thinking about San Francisco because that's been one of the slower markets to come back. And then when those suppliers and employees are able to spend money on their items that they need, then it's going to be translated into the community and so on and so forth. I also want to take a look at the promoters of tourism and the fact that the United States does not have a tourism department necessarily, but there are state offices and local offices, most of the time convention and visitors bureaus or CVBs. And those CVBs, like SF Travel, for example, the San Mateo County has its own convention and visitors bureau as well. Those are really going to be the promoters that are looking to gain more tourism in the areas because they understand that all of those tax revenues on hotel nights and all of that business really does make our economy go. And actually, when we move forward in the next weeks, we'll look at what those tax revenues do for the communities in terms of the recreation and the public parks and things like that that it is able to fund. So really, truly how important tourism is to all of us, but then also some pitfalls as well, right? Some dangers of areas being harmed by tourism, right? Some of the ecosystems being damaged. So I really do hope that you enjoy thinking about the hospitality industry and this week in particular tourism with a little bit of a different lens that we've had the privilege of being able to have seen with the tourism kind of leaving for a short time into our area and then reemerging and coming back, and how we can maybe perhaps do it better this time. So I welcome you to take a look at the information on tourism this week. Also, there are no assignments. However, I would like to urge you to continue, if you've missed some assignments, to make sure that you turn them in, especially the tourism assignment that we had this week, because I think it'll be a really telling way for how we get around in these days and times. So I hope you have a great week ahead, and thank you.